Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a flawless fusion of timeless elegance and modern innovation. With its sleek silhouette and graceful curves, it captures hearts at first glance. Starting from the lower left, the sculpted body lines gently rise, reflecting the car's aerodynamic refinement. As we move upward, the retro-modern LED headlights add sophistication while paying tribute to the classic Ghia design. The slim front grille, framed by subtle chrome accents, delivers both style and efficient cooling. Shifting to the right, the symmetry across the front end evokes a sense of balance and poise. Now, panning down to the lower right, the smoothly integrated bumper and front lip spoiler add both character and performance. Finally, looping back to the left, each element of the front profile is a testament to Volkswagen's design heritage and future-forward thinking. A car made for those who appreciate art in motion, history with a heartbeat, and the spirit of individuality. As we transition to the rear, the design remains captivating, embodying charm and character in every curve. The wide LED taillights bring a modern glow to a classic form. Centered between them, the Karmann Ghia script badge sits proudly, a mark of distinction. The dual exhaust outlets offer a subtle yet sporty tone, reminding you there's more than beauty beneath the surface. Moving further to the right, the elegantly sculpted rear fenders bring out a sense of retro athleticism. Dropping down to the lower left, the flush rear bumper complements the car's clean lines and road-ready presence. This isn't just a car, it's a celebration of style, culture, and innovation. Step inside, and the 2025 Karmann Ghia welcomes you with a cabin that merges heritage charm with cutting-edge technology. The vintage-inspired bucket seats are wrapped in premium materials, with color contrast stitching that adds a touch of flair. The driver's zone is intuitive, featuring a digital instrument panel that blends classic dials with real-time data. Moving across, the infotainment screen is seamlessly integrated, providing navigation, media, and connectivity. Panning to the lower right, brushed aluminum pedals and a sculpted gear selector hint at the car's sporting soul. Finally, returning to the left, the entire cockpit is a nod to the past, enhanced for today's driver. Every surface, stitch, and switch is built to deliver beauty, comfort, and precision. From the side, the Karmann Ghia's flowing roofline and low stance give it a coupe profile that turns heads effortlessly. The elongated front hood, swooping roof arc, and tucked rear bring together classic proportions with modern flair. As we look upward, the sharp crease lines add visual motion, even at a standstill. Panning across, the flush door handles and vintage-style mirrors enhance the retro-modern aesthetic. Down below, stylish alloy wheels wrapped in performance rubber give the car grip and grace. And as we return to the left, the side skirts blend seamlessly into the form, completing a silhouette that is both graceful and assertive. A Reborn icon, redefined for today's roads. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia delivers a drive that's refined, responsive, and fun. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.0L inline-4 engine, producing 300 horsepower, ample for spirited cruising. Moving up, the digital display offers customizable drive settings and feedback. Across the center, available drive modes include comfort, sport, and heritage, allowing you to tailor the experience. Shifting to the right, the advanced suspension system and adaptive dampers ensure a smooth yet engaging ride. Finally, coming back to the left, every mechanical detail has been crafted to balance efficiency and excitement, a blend of nostalgic soul and contemporary performance that invites you to enjoy every mile. Now, let's explore what makes the Karmann Ghia such an appealing choice. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is expected to start around $42,000, offering tremendous value in the modern classic segment. The top-tier Heritage Edition may reach $55,000, adding exclusive finishes and advanced tech. Moving upward, Volkswagen provides a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty for peace of mind. Across the center, its efficient powertrain keeps ownership costs low without compromising enjoyment. Panning to the right, the limited production nature makes this model highly desirable. And returning to the left, this is your opportunity to own a revived classic with a modern soul. If you're ready to experience elegance, emotion, and engineering in perfect harmony, visit your Volkswagen showroom and reserve the 2025 Karmann Ghia before it becomes a collector's dream. Enjoyed this review? Like, Subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.